Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how we can download and install HEC-ResSim for Reservoir operation. Just search for HEC-ResSim download. Select this one. You see, this software is for free and it's totally legal. Just click this one. I put the link in the description of this video. The download is starting. We just have to wait. Okay. That's my software. Click it. Just right click, run as administrator. Yes. Next. I agree. Next. You can change the directory. I change it to disk E. Create a folder. Okay. Next. Create a desktop shortcut. No. Next. Install. Finish. From start menu, search for HEC-ResSim. This one. Click it. I agree to the above terms and conditions. Okay. That is HEC-ResSim software. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel.